to use MGM Rewards Status Match Challenge. Hi everyone, I'm Hat260. Today without any delay, let's jump right in. MGM Rewards Daily Tier Status Accelerator. You'll find all these options. So what is the MGM Rewards Status Match Challenge? Status Match Challenge is a way for MGM Rewards member to hold VIP status in an eligible competitor program to experience gold or platinum tier status. And if you want to extend your gold or platinum status match, you can challenge the requirement for goals, earn an additional 50,000 credit on certain eligible spend within 90 days, and you can also challenge the requirement for platinum. Make sure you are a member of MGM Rewards, and after you're the member, your tier status will increase if you stay in their places and use the reward points. And this is how to use the MGM Rewards Status Match Challenge. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.